Yay!
Welcome to another episode of our Back to School series. Hey, I'm Peanut. Today, let's learn the alphabets in the uppercase, and in order to do that, let's take the help of our animal friends. The alphabets in the uppercase. A for ant. A for ant. B for bee. B for bee. C for camel. C for camel. D for donkey. D for donkey. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for frog. F for frog. G for goat. G for goat. H for hedgehog. H for hedgehog. I for iguana. I for iguana. J for jackal. J for jackal. K for koala. K for koala. L for llama. L for llama. M for meerkat. M for meerkat. N for narwhal. N for narwhal. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for quokka. Q for quokka. R for rooster. R for rooster. S for seal. S for seal. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for workery. U for workery. V for vulture. V for vulture. W for walrus. W for walrus. X for X-ray tetra. X for X-ray tetra. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. For more fun videos, be sure to check out our other videos on our channel, and the links for those will be available in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming soon. Bye bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.